Hi everyone, this is Nancy with Our Treasure Home, and welcome to our channel. And here's a little bit of updates of what we've been doing this week. Some gardening videos are coming out and everything. We did harvest lettuce, some dill, some tarragon. There should be oregano out there, but it's just really itty bitty. But here's what I did with the dill. Homemade dill pickles. Yes, these are really good. My granddaughter loves these. We always got the store-bought. So when I made these, she was like, "Oh no." I was like, "But it's made with the fresh dill from outside." She loves it. She'll eat the whole jar if I let her. So I made dill pickles, and then I made meat bread and butter pickles. I love these. They had garlic and onions, and it's so nice and sweet. So I was thinking, what else can I do? I have some extra onions, so I did onions. These are red onions. I love the color. The red is just so beautiful. So, and it's just garlic and onions in there with, the peppercorns, and I'm putting this on everything. It's just so good. So, in my last video, I had a special surprise I wanted to announce that I did. Now, everybody knows I got a sewing machine for Christmas. I've done a few projects with it and everything. But this is what I wanted to show everybody. I made pajama pants, fluffy pants, however you want to call them, lounge around house pants. I'm so excited because I knew how to cut the pattern. I knew how to cut it out. The block I was handling, mental block, was sewing it together. So, I could sew it up this leg and this leg, but when I got to here, I was just like, wait a minute, something's not right. So I could watch 100 videos, and you can finally watch that one video, and it finally clicks. So now I can really start sewing. I was so excited. I had done pillowcases and blankets, and I really wanted to get to making clothes. So I was just so excited. I got all these patterns over here that I've bought and I've done nothing with because life just was... Life happens, just like Patty Rose says. Life just, things just go on, and then when your heart, and your body just in chronic pain, it's just like your mind does not think of doing things, and just like you just want to sit there and do nothing. And I just realized one day, what in the world have I been doing? I let the last 10 years go by and do nothing, just sit here and mope. I ain't moping no more. That's for the birds. I'm out to enjoy life, disability, and everything. It's like, it's time to really get out there. I don't know if it was this sickness that sparked all of it or not, but life is just too precious to just sit by and let it go by. And it's really, you may look at things, how you get by day by day. I'm home every day. I haven't worked in a while because physically I can't do it no more. But my mind's still here. God restores everything. In Psalms 23, he says he restores my soul. So, that's your soul here. That soul does so much for mental, physical, emotional. Just give it all to God, because he will take care of it. And boy, I have some stories I could tell you, but that is not for today. Today is exciting, great news. I know how to sew these. We made pickles. I've got some bone broth in the crock pot that I'm making. I'll do a video on that later. I'll upload some more videos of the garden and show everybody what's going on, because there's some cute little things going on. I'm not going to ruin the surprise, but I was just excited because something happened the other day. I tried to get it on video, but I didn't get it on video, but I did get a picture of it. So I will show the picture in the video. So that's going to be something really cute to see. Let's see here. Yeah, that's what we've been doing. Didn't have to water the garden for a few days. That was nice. I love the rain. I've always liked rain. I like it when it rains. It's just like a calm and peaceful, relaxing sound. I can sleep through a thunderstorm. It doesn't bother me. I just love it. So we're back to watering the garden now. But that's about it. Just getting ready for school. Stuff right there. And here's a question for everybody that's, whether you homeschool or your kids went to regular school or anything, do you remember at any time during the summer, and this is like regular school time or however you do homeschool, do you review during your breaks? Like your summer breaks or Christmas breaks or spring break or Easter break. Do you still do review with the kids? I never did growing up. I never did with my son growing up. But I do with my granddaughter. When I sat there the other day and I thought about that, I was like, I never remember any time, elementary, middle, high school, did I ever review any subject during the summer. Those were our breaks. So, there's the question for you. Did you or do you still, during your breaks of school, review with your kids? Reading, writing, arithmetic, all that good stuff. So, with that, I want to thank you for watching. If you haven't, please subscribe. Ring the bell for notification. And yes, I'm still talking with my hands down here. Ring the bell for notifications. And if you haven't, have a wonderful day, because God is good.